how to simplify this nice math problem without using calculator. 9 divided by 4 to the power of 9 divided by 4. Then from here, 9 divided by 4 can be written as 9 is 3 square divided by 4 is 2 square to the power of 9 over 4. Then this is equal to 3 over 2 to the power of 2 to the power of what? 9 over 4. Take note of this, that if you have a raised to power n to the power of m, this is equal to a raised to power n m. And from here, 2 here 1, this 2 here 2, we have 3 divided by 2 to the power of 9 over 2. Now, take note of this also, that if you have a raised to power n plus m, this is equal to a raised to power n multiplied by a raised to power m. This is equal to 3 over 2 to the power of 9 can be written as 4 plus 1 over 2. Then here is 3 over 2 to the power of 4 multiplied by 3 over 2 to the power of 1 over 2. Now, if you have a raised to power 1 over 2, this is equal to square root of a. Then this is equal to 3 over 2 to the power of 4 multiplied by square root of 3 over 2. Then this is equal to 3 to the power of 4. This is 81 over 2 to the power of 4. That is 16 multiplied by, this can be written as root 3 over root 2. Now let's multiply this by the conjugate. That is root 2. This multiplied by root 2 and this multiplied by root 2. Then this is equal to 81 over 16 multiplied by root 3 times root 2, that is root 6 over root 2 times root 2 times root 2, that is 2. Then this is equal to 81 root 6 over 16 times 2, 32. And this is the final answer. Therefore, 9 over 4 to the power of 9 over 4 is equal to 81 root 6 over 32. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.